Hey there, scrapper people. Today we're going to tear apart this here oscilloscope. It's a Ramsey 2200. It doesn't work. Screen does not light up. I know I can sell it on eBay and stuff for more than what I can get for scrap, but we're going to take this thing apart and see what we can get. I got lots of these type of things that I can't get rid of, so we're going to take them apart. For scrap at 5 cents a pound, it weighs 16.24 pounds. That's 81 cents we can get if we scrap this as it is, but we're going to take it apart. We're going to see what's in it, see if there's anything good, see if it's worth taking apart. This is a cheaper style, so I'm not looking for a whole lot of anything in it. We're going to take it apart and see what we get. Be kind of interesting and neat all in the same time. I know there's going to be people saying, hey, don't take it apart, but that's what I do. We take things apart. We scrap it. We see if it's worth it. See if we make money or we lose. Here we go. Yeah. There it is. Some boards. I don't see no visible gold anywhere, but we got some chips in there. Looks like it's been dropped or something at one time, but let's get this apart and see what all we got. Got some knobs we gotta get off. Looks like there's some brass, but well, these here, they are Allen screws, wee little ones. Figure I'd show you a couple. There is brass in all these, so I gotta try to get out. There's all them, now we got all these little nuts off. They're not magnetic, so. A couple of brass. One might be aluminum. That was metal, so that ain't brass. Some are black ones are metal too. There's that board. Got a few IC chips. Don't know what that'd be. I'll take a picture on Oscar and see what it comes up with when we add it up. Plastic trash. Piece of tin shred. There's the old tube. We'll get that copper piece there off and the rest will just leave be. There's that board. Again, some ICs. Not really much on it. Piece of aluminum. We'll get that cleaned up. There's just a transformer. Lots of paper in it. So I don't know. We'll see what we can get out of there. There's a piece of copper on top we can get. We'll get it apart and see what's all in it. Another transformer. Look at those big old blue M&Ms. And there's the power board. So we got it tore apart. I'm going to finish getting this cleaned up, and when we come back we'll see what we got and what it's worth. So stay tuned and we'll be right back. And there we have it, folks. The thread at 5 cents a pound. We got 10.10 pounds. That is 51 cents for the shred. For the insulated copper wire, at 30 cents a pound, we got 0.22 pounds. That is 7 cents for the insulated copper wire. For the aluminum, at 40 cents a pound, we got 0.68 pounds. That is 27 cents for the sheet aluminum. For the low grade boards, at 50 cents a pound, we got 1.5 pounds. That's 75 cents. I'm just going to consider those are all low grade. There's wasn't really much on them, so I did get the ICs off, and we'll be adding them up here just shortly. As you can see, that is zeroed. So for the IC chips that we got, at $11.25 a pound, we got 0.02 pounds. That is 23 cents for those little bit of ICs. Once again, that's zeroed, as you can see. For the clean brass that we got, $0.23 pounds at $1.80 a pound. That is 42 cents of clean yellow brass. And for the winner of the day, the copper, which was a mess to get out of that transformer, and this here off of that right there was sticky, really sticky, but it was a nice chunk. So at $3 a pound, we got 0.72 pounds. That is $2.16 for all that copper. So hopefully this was kind of informative on the oscilloscope. This in here was made in Korea, so not really good stuff was in it. I've seen others where they have really nice chips and stuff, but this in here just wasn't the greatest. But now you've seen what was in this one. If you ever come across one and you want it for scrap, run away. But for a nice little wall plate or something, it's pretty neat. I thought maybe try to sell that on eBay, see what we can get. But the total will be up here in the corner. I hope you liked the video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and always a thumbs up is good. And I'll keep bringing new stuff. And like I said, I got all kinds of neat things that I have that I can take down. It's similar to this. I have other oscilloscopes that might have better stuff in them. I have other electronics that's kind of neat. So stay tuned and subscribe, and when they come out, you'll be the first to know. So thanks for watching. See ya.